Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I get started with the new Pink and Main products, I wanted to let you know about a Christmas in July sale that is going on over at the Not Too Shabby shop. So we have a Facebook group, and right now the challenge is Christmas in July, so I'll have the link to our Facebook group if you'd like to join. There's a monthly challenge and a giveaway. So for the sale, it's 35% off everything in the holiday section. So it's the holiday section only. So if you add any of the items that are in that section to your cart, you'll see 35% come off. So you'll only see the discount on the items in the holiday section. And there's lots in there, not just Christmas stamps. So check it out. There's different occasions in there. Lots of fun stuff, and plus you can use my coupon code Jamie for an additional 10% off. And the sale for the Christmas in July 35% off will only work in combination with the code Jamie. Otherwise you will not see the discount. So let's dig into the new Pink and Main July release. This is their new paper pad called Pen Pals. Really pretty colors and really super cute. Look at that. Really cute. There's some patterns. So I think you get a wide variety of patterns in here. Cute little borders there. And there's some cutouts, which are always fun. So that's the paper pad. Goes great with this new stamp called Sent with Love. So you get the postage, and all these sentiments fit inside the postage. And these are great to decorate envelopes or cards. Contains 1 happy gram just for you. There's a just for you with an arrow. Hey, you've got mail. Attention, this is not a bill. A very special delivery, sent with love. SWAK, sealed with a kiss. There's a from, XO, XO, and then hugs and kisses are in the middle of that. There's a to. And then this little stamp goes with the new die, the postage die, and the stamp is the same size as this die here. So really fun to create some cards with that. There's a large stamp set. This one is the Two Can Do It. And we've got these fun little characters. There's a sloth, a toucan, a frog, salamander, an alligator, and this lizard here. Oh, I forgot what he's called. A gecko? No, he's not a gecko. That might be a gecko. Really cute. There's some leaves there. The sentiments read, Two can do it. Wild about you. I believe in you. You're one in a chameleon. Never forget how amazing you are. Hang in there. Take a bite out of life. So that's really cute. The coordinating die. This little toucan. It cuts out the inner portion of this toucan here. So I love it when dies do that. This is really pretty. They're new floral mail die. So it's a little envelope with a heart, and then this floral piece attached to the sides that look like wings. Really pretty because you can inlay all the pieces in different colors. We've got succulents. So we've got potted succulents with little cute faces, and I like these sentiments. If you notice, there's a word inside the big bold sentiment. So we've got many thanks, just a note, hello friend, and happy birthday. I think those are really cool. There's the die for the succulents. Then we've got supersized, which is really cute. I love these big faces. They look really cute when you stamp them on the images. And then the sentiments read, you've got a piece of my heart, sending supersized hugs. I've only got fries for you. You are so delightful. We make a great combo. And hot diggity dog, you're amazing. Super cute. Oh, and I forgot to mention the free with 60. Since it's Christmas in July, you'll get this Sassy Santa stamp set. So when your order qualifies, you'll see this pop into your cart. I believe when you reach $66, and this will pop into your cart for $0, and then you can add your discount. And it is super cute. This will only pop into your cart if you're using the code Jamie. So if your order is $60, you're using a different code, I'll be sure to add this to your package. And then this is the coordinating die, so you'll get this for free if you spend $100. So if you load your cart up with $110 and then add your discount, that will pop into your cart at $0 cost. So that's just going on until supplies last. I have very limited quantities on the stamps I'm showing you today, so shop early for the best selection. I did bring in this mermaid stencil from the June release, and these are the items that I have left from the June release. This is the add-on to the wreath die, so they have these add-ons for every season. This is the summer one. We've got Starfish Wishes, which is really cute. There is a coordinating die. That's really cute with the mermaid stencil. And then there's these fun dies that have the scallop frame and the stitching. And then this really cute one. This is fantastic with the large fishbowl. And then these cute fish that you can have swimming in there. And what's great is the die will cut out a shaker piece for you, so you can have little sea beads in there shaking around or sequins, and that's going to look so cute. You could also have your little fish just free in there without any adhesive and have them be shaken around. Really cute. So I'll have the link down below to the Pink and Main section in the shop. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it and appreciate your comments. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.